Hello, I'm Tom Booker, Senior Instructor. Thank you for joining me. This video is over the low block and back fist combination. We'll have a look at this from the front, and we'll take a look at this from the side. Now, we're going to start off right foot out in front here. I'm in a front stance, my right arm is crossed on top. I'm stepping back with that right foot to form an L stance here. My right hand is doing a vertical back fist. My left arm here is doing a low block. There's a fairly big step back. Here to here. Get into your L stance. Low block and back fist. Now a little more quickly. Here. I want to be careful that I'm not throwing my back fist arm way out away from it. Step back. Here. Now let's have a look at this from the side. And I'm right foot out in front for this. My right arm is crossed on top. I'm in a front stance here, which means I can't easily see back behind me. As I step back and shift into that L stance, my head position changes. Now I can see that direction as I block and strike. So this L stance becomes very important for this. So again, we're here, step back, get into your L stance, low block and back fist. Now we'll take it a little more quickly. Step back, block and strike. Step back, block and strike. All right, now let's try applying that on a target. Anna, could I have your help, please? Thank you. Just hold the blocker out about head high here. Now the idea, we've got an opponent in front of us. We've got an opponent behind us. So I'm stepping back toward the opponent behind me, finding them with that back fist. And we're just going to touch and push here. I'm going to have to get in pretty close. If I'm too far away, that's going to happen. Not going to reach with that back fist. I just overextend. So, big step back. Get into that L stance. Touch and push. Then we'll take it a little faster and harder. We'll step back and strike. Again, step back and strike. Once more, just because it's fun. There. Thank you. The step back into the strike will give you additional power in the strike. But that shift of position from front stance here to L stance here is going to be very important because it changes my head position. Now I can see here and here with my peripheral vision. I don't have to focus exclusively on one or the other. That is the low block and back fist combination. Thank you very much for joining me.